Yo, let's be real. A lot of y'all say y'all gonna have one cheat meal turn into one cheat week, into one cheat month, into a whole cheat lifestyle. You guys had one donut and woke up the next morning 3,000 calories later, looking like a 1974 Buick with expired tags, just big, wide, and emotionally unstable.
What's wrong? What's wrong with you? La, 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 la. La, 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 la. What the?
Listen guys, I'm about to drop 7 tips to help you guys stop binge eating. Make sure you guys stay to the end to receive all 7 tips, as the 3rd tip alone saved my summer body. Let's get straight into it. Tip number one guys, stop restricting everything. You guys cut out carbs, you guys cut out fats, and then you're wondering why you wake up in the middle of the night having cravings, talking about some you want Oreos. It's like when a girl tells me, man, I gotta stay away from you because you're trouble. Eventually I know she's gonna fold, she's gonna crack, and she's gonna hit me up. So guys, this is what happens a lot of times. When you guys restrict everything from your body, then your body has a natural response to just have bigger cravings. And that's what makes you guys binge, is when you're taking too much off the table. So that's why it's good to like sprinkle little things in there, and you know, so you can look forward to those treats. Because if you know, hey, in a couple days, Saturday, I'm gonna have a cheat meal, or if you know, hey, you know what, I'm looking forward to my one cookie today, then that's gonna help you be able to have a sustainable diet. But a lot of you guys are setting these strict diet routines that are not sustainable. You need to make sure you have a plan. Over restriction is gonna lead to you binging. So guys, you wanna make sure that you have a diet that's maintainable. You don't wanna have a diet that's too restrictive, okay? A diet that's overly restricted is not going to be sustainable for a long period of time, and that's tip number one. Tip number two guys, plan your meals ahead of time. Something I realized about you guys is that your diet plan is like your life. It's unplanned. And then you guys are wondering why you're not getting the results that you want, guys. Listen guys, whenever you have a structured meal plan, that's going to help avoid all of those cravings. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, when I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat whatever's in sight, like straight up. But if I have a plan and my meals are already prepped for me, it's already packaged up and it's ready to go, it's a lot easier for me to just consume that, because it starts to become a discipline thing. Listen, we have so many things that we have to be accountable for. A lot of us have kids, a lot of us have full-time jobs. We already have a lot of things that we have to account for. So we don't have time to like plan, okay, I'm gonna eat this meal really quick, I'm gonna consume this. It's too much to calculate. So by having that food already ready to go, you take the discipline factor out of it. So that's why you really wanna make sure that you plan your meals ahead of time. That's gonna help you avoid having cravings. So guys, that's why I highly recommend prepping your food ahead of time so you can avoid that binging. And that's tip number 2. Tip number three guys, identify your triggers. Guys, this is gonna be very, very important when it comes to binge eating, is identifying your triggers. Meaning, like, if it's a boss that's bothering you, if it's a partner, if it's a bad breakup, if it's your kids, identifying what those stressors are so you know how to handle it. Like, you know, some of y'all, like, I ain't gonna lie, I be looking at some of y'all after a breakup, y'all be putting on like 50 pounds looking like a big old hippo. Listen, man, we cannot be out here emotionally eating. Like, I can literally look at some people and I can tell when they're going through a breakup because they put on so much post-breakup weight because they give themselves a pass to just eat ice cream or whatever. Guys, you have to identify whatever your triggers are. A trigger of mine is like when I'm having a bunch of different meetings and I have my boss and he's telling me, hey, I need to get this done on a tight deadline. So something that's been very, very helpful for me is going for a walk, guys. You got to find things that can help you out so that way you can avoid binge eating. Or like if you, let's say your kids are stressing you out, then, you know, take them on a walk or go play with them, because that could be a way to even get more activity in. So even if you are like binging a little bit, at least by playing with your kids, at least you're gonna be burning some calories at the same time. So guys, the reason why you guys are gaining so much weight when you're doing these binges is because you guys are binge eating and you're also not moving. So if you were to make a healthy habit where it's like, okay, well, every time my boss gives me a deadline and I have a bunch of different meetings, I'm gonna just take a 10-minute walk, or I'm gonna play around with my kids when they're stressing me out. Guys, having healthy habits, healthy coping mechanisms is gonna really help you keep that weight off. So you have to find healthy ways to really help avoid binge eating. And that's tip number 3. Tip number four, guys, get someone who can hold you accountable. Guys, I'm gonna be real. Sometimes you need someone to pull you in and say, listen, you're being a fat. Listen, guys, there are times I'll be a little bit fat and I'm feeling myself, so I'm just treating myself good, eating good, and then like I'll have someone leave a comment like, dang, bro, you looking a little flabby right now. Or one of my boys, JBZ, will be like, yo, you working out? What you doing? Like, Johnny B will always, you know, tighten me up. And then I'll be like, oh, okay, like that'll hold me accountable. But I feel like a lot of you guys don't have people that tell you guys the truth, man. You really need someone who can give you fair, honest opinion and just say that, hey, man, you're picking up some weight, man, tighten up. Because that's what's gonna help you catch yourself before you gain. Because you wonder how some people gain 70 75, 100 pounds is because no one was holding them accountable. People just, you know, quote unquote loving them by not saying anything. But real love is when you hold someone to a standard and you say, hey man, come on, like you're getting a little, come on, you put on a little bit of weight. Come on, what's going on? So listen, man, if you guys need someone to hold you accountable, guys, click the first link in the description below and book a consultation call with me. That way I can put you guys on a daily accountability system where we have daily check-ins, and I provide you guys with a meal plan and a workout plan. People have been able to receive amazing results and finally lose that weight. I know you guys are tired of going to the gym, you know, putting in this effort and then binging and throwing it all away. So book that consultation call with me and I'm gonna help get you in the best shape possible. And let's see if we're a good fit, man. Tap that link below, let's get it. And that's tip number 4. Guys, tip number 5, consume more protein and fiber. If you eat like a bird, you're gonna feast like a beast.
If her name is Emily, you shall date her whole family.
A lot of you all think that you don't have to eat a lot of food and that you have to be super restrictive. That's what's causing you to binge. You can eat even more food if it's healthy, nutrient dense food. You know, I used to have a lot of people come to me, oh man, I don't want to starve to lose weight. You don't have to starve yourself to lose weight, guys. You have to just increase your protein, because protein is gonna allow you to stay a lot more satiated. Guys, whenever I'm struggling, whenever I'm binging, it's always when I'm not consuming enough chicken breast, enough salmon, enough steak. But I need to make sure I'm upping my protein and my veggies, because guys, this is what I remember, your stomach is always so big. So if you consume a lot of veggies, that's gonna take up a lot of your stomach space. So you really wanna make sure that you're consuming that nutrient dense food by consuming more fiber and consuming more protein, because protein, especially nutrient dense protein, like, you know, your chicken breast, your turkey burgers, that's gonna really hold you down and allow you to feel a lot more satiated. That's gonna really help you avoid a lot of those cravings. And that's tip number 5. Tip number 6, guys. Come here, this is a little secret. Don't keep trigger foods in the house. I want y'all to do me a favor. Leave a comment below and let me know if you guys have trigger foods in the house right now. Let me know if you guys have let me know if you guys have chips, if you guys have ice cream, cookies. Let me know if you guys have that stuff in the house and throw it out. Throw it out the window and say, Chief, I threw the food out. All right. Guys, you want to make it easy on yourself. I know that late at night, I'm not going to get out the bed and go to the gas station. That's too much. So what do? I just don't keep the junk in my house. Because if the junk is in my house, it's easy for me to get out the bed and go grab some chips. So guys, you want to make sure that you remove that stuff from the house. That's going to really help avoid trigger foods. When you see people have alcohol and chips and ice cream in the freezer, like when something does go wrong, I'll go for a walk. But if I always have food in the house, I probably would just go for that snack. And that's how you can build these bad habits. So guys, if you really want to stop binging, guys, get rid of all the food out your house. And that's tip number 6. Tip number 7, guys, forgive yourself and move on. A lot of y'all forget that man every time he cheat on you.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, listen, man. Listen, a lot of y'all forget that, man, every time you cheat on you. So forgive yourself whenever you do binge, man. It's okay. I see some of you guys punish yourself like, I'm gonna go to the gym for 3 hours, I'm gonna go to the gym for 4 hours. Just get back to your routine, okay? Just hold yourself accountable, get back to the routine. And guys, celebrate the small things. Like, even if you do binge and you do eat junk food, but like, let's say you had 3 burgers and this time you just had like a burger and a small fry. Guys, that's still a win. Like, guys, we wanna live a life. We still wanna enjoy food. We still wanna have those treats and things of that nature, but just be mindful. Like, obviously, like if you went to the store, you had a large milkshake, 5 burgers and some french fries, then yeah, that's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, if the next time you went and you had your binge and you're like, man, I had a burger, I had a small fry, and maybe you got a burger, you said, no, I don't want any cheese on it, or you had a burger with no bun.
Oh, hell no, man.
Like, if you had a burger with no bun, pause. It's like just those little modifications, guys. You have to celebrate the small wins, because remember, guys, this is like longevity. That's one thing that I always want to promote. Like my physique now, this is the physique that I'm building when I'm gonna be well into my 50s, my 60s, my 70s, guys. We're not bodybuilders. We're not like building for like a peak moment. We're building for a lifestyle. We want to kind of always be like, I like to consider myself always beach ready. Like I never want to be like, oh my gosh, like I'm going to the beach, like, and I'm covering up my body. Like, first of all, I'm on camera every day, but you know, and even sometimes like even right now, I'm not in the best shape ever. Like this isn't the most ripped that I've ever been, but I always catch myself, guys. So you want to really just have the ability to just like, okay, even when you are like making some bad decisions, or even when you are enjoying yourself, I would say, still being mindful, like, okay, like I'm gonna have some fries, but I don't need a large fry, or I don't need a large drink. I don't need 3 burgers. Let me just get a burger. So, you know, and forgive yourself and move on, guys. And those are the 7 tips to really help you guys stop binge eating. Woo! Yes, sir, guys. So listen, I know it can be difficult. I know it can be challenging, especially with binge eating and things of that nature. But guys, it's discipline that you have to develop over time. And guys, remember this, man. Just stay in the game. Don't just decide to be a permanent big back and just say, you know what, I'm going to eat whatever I want and forget about that. Like, you know, I see a lot of people say, oh, that's what they do. They want to be in shape. I'm going to be over here. I'm going to enjoy myself. Don't give up. Don't throw in the towel, guys. Keep working at it, and it's going to build up over time. So listen, man, if you guys are looking for accountability, if you guys are looking for a coach, click the first link in the description below, man. Book a consultation call on the link below so we can do an online coaching program and I can hold you guys accountable. So make sure y'all tap in with that. I'm going to follow you guys for meal plans, workout plans, and we're going to check in every single day to make sure you get the best results of your life, man. As usual, man, thank you all for tuning in, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all been rocking on me, man. Leave a comment. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share this video with someone else. Share the video with someone who needs to see it, man. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. CP Nation, we out. Yes, sir.
No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah.